Welcome back to Flavour Station Flavour Chasers. Today we're going to be making some juicy, crispy, double-coated KFC chicken. We're going to start straight away. Come in with your chicken drumsticks, a big bowl. We're going to marinate these overnight, get them nice and tender. First we're going to wash the chicken, you know how I do. Little lemon juice, little vinegar, swisher, swisher, water, boom. Give it a slosh, look at the yuck, look at the gunk it removes. Yeah, man, next level. But don't worry, the lemon juice and the vinegar, it don't impair the flavour. Now, as I say, if you like chicken, like this video, give us a tap, give us a like, give us a share, subscribe, you know the score. Now, we're going to come behind some Greek yogurt. I like to use the light one, but it doesn't really matter. Then we're going to come behind with some garlic, salt, turmeric, and thyme. Yes, man. Turmeric in there, thyme in there, and garlic salt in there. Boom, mixer. Now what the yogurt is allegedly supposed to do, and I always find it works, is to tenderize the meat on the next level. Not on brine level, but it's kind of like just juicy, keeps it juicy. You can fry it, don't dry out. You're just gonna mix this, combine it all, make sure it's completely covered. Yeah, I just like to think everything's getting tenderized same way. Do you know what I mean? Just give it a little mix, make sure it's all covered, spoon it over, then we're gonna leave it overnight. The next day, you can see the turmeric has really made it go yellow, but it don't matter, look. It even looks tender already. Just give it a turn. Now, we're gonna make the coating. See it? Oh, yes, lovely. Now, the coating. Flour, plain flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, if that's right. 6, 7 of them. All-purpose seasoning. You don't know the Duns River thing. Tablespoon of that. Garlic, powder, thyme. Tablespoon, teaspoon of white pepper, about a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. You can use normal salt, it doesn't matter that much. Give it a mix, combine the thing. This is our coating, what we're gonna fry in. Now, grab your chicken back, and we're just gonna coat up the chicken nicely before we fry it. Let it soak into all that yogurt, all that juice, yeah? Put your chicken into the bowl with the flour and the seasonings and all that good stuff. Cling film it, and then give it a shake, Sonora, move your body line. Just give it a little mix, a little blend. Now we're gonna head outside, because I hate the smell of fat. See it there, all coated. We're outside now. Boom, chicken there, fryer there, 180 degrees C, yeah? But it's a mad thing, my little tekka's double coated. We're gonna seal it in the fryer, boom, take it out, coat it again, bang it back in. Next level. Load up your fryer, and then we dunk. Yeah, man, sizzle, baby. Zoom in, yes. We're sizzling away, look. Yeah, man, what we're gonna do, we're gonna seal it, then we're gonna recoat it. After about 2-3 minutes, you see it's holding its shape. The batter's, well, the flour's doing its thing. Back into the flour, second coat. Yeah, I find this helps coat it and lock in that extra juice. You'll see it when it's cooked. It's a mad thing, trust me. Just give it a shake, and we go back in. Boom. Trust me, this double coating, you'll see how juicy it goes, man. It's next level. Back into the fryer, double coating, sizzle. I'd say about 10 minutes. Don't even need an oven for this thing. This is al fresco. This is what we're doing outside. Yeah, man, fried chicken, KFC ting. Better than KFC though, because it's tasty. Flavour, no MSG. Yeah, man. 10-15 minutes later, we're done, baby. Look at her. You wait till you see the inside of this. Oh my days. It's looking juicy. It's crispy. It's just great. Barely any fat dripping off it. Nice, clean fried chicken. Flavour Station style, blood. Yeah, man. I'm gonna have a little bite, and you'll see the juice. See it there? Look how juicy it is. Oh, it's so just, it melted in the mouth as well. It's so juicy and just tasty. Look, got little bits of thyme in there. You see the garlic powders in there, little granules in there. Thanks very much for watching this video. You're absolute legends. Flavour Chasers rule. Do me a favour. Follow me on Insta. It's popping off on there. Love you lot. Bye.